Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Offroad's bed stiffeners for Toyota's 2005 and newer Tacoma. Step 1. Open your vehicle's bed and locate the two rear bed bolts. Remove them with a T55 Torx bit. With a T40 Torx, remove the two tie-down bolts. Step 2. Begin removing both taillights by removing the 3 hex bolts on the side with an M10 socket. Gently tug at it to pull out its clips and unplug it from its power harness. This is to prevent damage to the wiring during drilling. Step 3. Place the stiffener in the bed and align the bottom holes with the bed and tie-down bolt holes. With a marker, mark the 4 drill point holes onto the bed wall. Step 4. With a center punch, notch each mark. With a 1/8 inch drill bit and stepping up to a 29/64, begin drilling out the holes, while taking care not to damage the tail light harness. Once done, paint the hole to prevent against rust development. Step 5. With an M8 nutsert tool, install the included nutsert with thread locker into each hole. Step 6. Begin installing the stiffener by reinstalling the bed and tie-down bolts. To secure the tie-down bolt, you will need to remove its included washers. With a 5mm Allen wrench and 4 of the included bolts and washers, secure the stiffener to the bed. Repeat on the opposite side. Reinstall your tail lights, and you're done.